Mark, I am very excited. Today we go to the airport for our family trip.
I'm excited too. Do you have everything? Passports, tickets, phone, chargers, wallet?
Yes. Oh wait. I forgot my toothbrush in bathroom.
You mean it's in the bathroom?
Yes, in the bathroom. I will take it. The taxi is here. I hope driver is nice.
I hope the driver is nice.
Yeah, the driver is nice.
Good morning. Where are you going?
We go airport, please.
We are going to the airport, please.
Yes, we are going to the airport. Thank you, Mark. Wow, the city looks so different in the morning.
Looks not look.
The city looks different.
Exactly.
Sorry, I need to stop at the gas station. We are low on fuel.
No problem.
Why we stop here?
Why are we stopping here?
Yeah, why are we stopping here?
Because the taxi needs fuel. Without fuel, we can't reach the airport.
Ah, like me. I need breakfast for energy.
Yes, similar idea.
We arrived.
We have arrived.
We have arrived. Wow, this airport is big. There are many people here. Why so many?
Because it's the holiday season. Many families travel today. Let's find our check-in counter.
Yep, it's time.
Good morning. May I have your passports?
Yes, here. Wait. Oh no. I think I leave passport in taxi.
You mean you left your passport in the taxi?
Yes, I think I left my passport in the taxi.
Relax, Lina. Check your backpack again.
Ah, it is here. Sorry. I just panic.
You just panicked and it's totally fine.
Yes, I just panicked.
Great. May I also have your luggage, please?
Yes, we want to give our bags.
We want to check our bags.
Right, we want to check our bags.
Thank you. Your bags are checked. They will go to the airplane. Here are your boarding passes.
Boarding papers?
Boarding passes.
Yes, boarding passes. Thank you. Mark, I want sit near window.
You mean you want to sit near the window?
Yes, I want to sit near the window. Can I change?
Ask her.
Excuse me. Can I sit near the window, please?
Let me check. Yes. There is a window seat available. I'll change it for you.
Thank you so much.
See? Easy.
Yes, easy. But only with you. So, what's next?
We need to go through security check.
Mark, I'm always scared there.
Me too. But it's part of the process.
I don't like take out shoes.
You mean you don't like taking off your shoes?
Yes, exactly. I don't like taking off my shoes. We still have time before our flight. I want some coffee.
Why do you want coffee now?
Because we wake up very early. I am very sleepy. My brain is still sleeping.
Yeah, we did wake up very early today. Let's grab some coffee.
This place nice. I like airports. Many people, many stories.
Yes, this place is nice. Airports are full of life.
Let's find our plane.
You mean let's find our boarding gate?
Yeah, that one. What gate do we need?
Check on the boarding pass.
Mark, look. The airplane is very big.
Yep, it's a long flight. Big planes are more comfortable.
We go on airplane now?
Say, we are going onto the airplane now.
We are going onto the airplane now. I am ready. Mark, today I learned many grammars.
Grammar. Not grammars.
Only one?
Always one.
Okay. Today I learned a lot of grammar.
And you did great.
Yes. And now I go sleep on airplane.
You're going to sleep on the airplane.
Ha ha ha. Yeah, I'm going to sleep there.
That's perfect.
If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more easy English stories.
And comment below what video you want to see next.